How to read dates in Korean. Ayan guys. So, ito yung year. Nyon or he. Man. Wol or tal. D. Il. Days of the week. UL. Monday. Wol UL. Wol UL Monday. Tuesday. Wa UL. Wednesday. So UL. Thursday. Moon UL. Friday. Num UL. Saturday. To UL. Sunday. LUL. So yun guys, so screenshot nyo guys. Ayan. Yan po yung pagbasa ng mga dates in Korean. Ayan. Proceed tayo guys sa months of the year or Woltal. Months of the year, Woltal. January. Wol. So, ang pagbasa natin, ang 1 guys ay L. So, L wol. February. Ang February ay pangalawa. So, E wol. Take note nyo guys, screenshot nyo guys. Yung March ay pangatlo. Sam wol. April, pangapat. Sa wol. May ay pang-5. O-wol. June pang-6. O-wol. 7 is pang-7. Chill-wol. August pang-8. Pal-wol. Is pang-9 ay September. Go-wol. October ay pang-number 10. She-wol. November pang-11, Sheb-el wol. Then last is December pang-12, Sheb-e-wol. Yun guys. Please screenshot guys. Yan.